So I have another tip for Clip Studio Paint. It's, again, not like super earth-shattering, but it can be a time saver. It can also create some really interesting effects. So let's get into it. The tip is the use of this Lasso Fill. Now, it doesn't seem like much, but I just really like the Lasso Fill because it can create some really interesting shapes. You know, if you're looking to do like cracks and whatever. I mean, it's just really cool. And what's great about it is when you hold Option or Alt, you can select any color that's on the screen. In this case, it's selected nothing, like a transparent. So it can then use it as like an eraser too, which is really cool. So you can create a lot of, I mean, I'm just rushing through it, but you could take some time. But the problem is that if you start and you stop and you're not where you want to be and you lift up, it just closes that gap. So keep that in mind. One thing that's also cool is it works within a selection that you've made. So we'll take the polygon tool and you'll just make a quick selection just to demonstrate it. Get back to the lasso. Oh, that's right, I have that selected. It fills within your selection and it doesn't remove your selection. I know it looks like a lasso fill right there, or a marquee fill, but it fills in the black area, which is great because if you want to do that, make sure you get it. Again, not the most earth-shattering tip, but it could save you time. It could create cool effects, help you with inking a certain character that you are having trouble with, trying to get just that right, unique look. That could be it for you. All right, thanks very much for watching. Click subscribe. Click the bell for notifications. If you like Clip Studio Paint, I have an affiliate link in my description. Check it out. I get a small little kickback, which helps the channel a lot. So thanks a lot.